Now comes to the third part of Makharijul Haruf, because in our previous lectures we have already learned the two parts. The first one is tongue letters and the second one is throat letters. Okay, the throat letters are 6 in number and the tongue letters are 18 in number. Now come to the third part, which is lip. There are 3 letters which are pronounced with the collaboration of our lips. So the question arises that what is the articulation point of these 3 letters? So come to the examples and come to those letters which are 3 in number. The first one is ba, meem and wow. Okay, the letter ba, when both lips get close to each other, then you can pronounce the letter ba, ba. And with that rule, when Hamza Fatha make a correction with the letter ba, we will know the correct articulation point. How? Hamza Fatha ba ab. Here you can see the ending of this word is the accurate and correct articulation point. Hamza Fatha ba ab, ab. Okay, now move to the second letter, which is Meem. This letter Meem is also pronounced when both of our lips make a connection. How? Meem, Meem, Hamza Fatha Meem, But here you have a question in your mind that why the letter Ba and Meem have same articulation point. Okay, same like the tongue, as the letter 9 letters which are pronounced from the tip of the tongue are 9 in number and they have same articulation point, but there is a difference in their pronunciation and the touching of the tongue. Same like this in the letter ba and me, but there is a difference in their pronunciation. But when we move towards the letter wow, which is the third letter pronounced from our lips, wow, it is totally different. How? Because when we pronounce the letter wow, our both lips get rounded. Okay, how? Wow, wow. Here you can see there is no connection between our lips, but only the rounding of our lips can pronounce the letter wow. So we make a little practice with that rule, in which we combine the Hamza Fatha with these 3 letters. So Hamza Fatha ba ab, the ending of this word is the articulation point of this letter. Same like ow. Okay, when Hamza Fatha make a connection with the wow, the letter wow will pronounce correctly and we will know the correct articulation point of the letter wow. Okay, so I repeat, there are 3 letters in the lips, the letters which are pronounced from the lips: ba, meem and wow.